In today's video, I'm going to answer the question that's on everyone's lips. Should you set up an Amazon FBA business in 2023? Welcome back everyone to AJ FBA. This video is about Amazon 2023. This video is going to explain why I personally believe that Amazon FBA business model is only starting. First thing I want to show you is statistics. As you can see from this graph, it shows Amazon has steadily went on an upwards trajectory, and then obviously with the pandemic, people having to switch to online shopping, it has showed people the way. It has showed people that you can get things quicker. You don't have to get out of your house. You can buy things online that is competitively priced just as going to a store. And that has brought Amazon, and that is why you're seeing such a leap here. That is why Amazon now is the global leader. People don't say, oh, I bought it on eBay. The same, it's sort of eBay is your bargain basement. Amazon, I bought it on Amazon, where actual fact, Amazon is pretty much the exact same as eBay. The only difference is their business model allows them to have fulfillment centers and pack up other people's products and ship it out with their branding, with their prime delivery service. And you do pay a handsome price for that, but it is a brilliant, and I mean fantastic, business model. I've been an investor in stocks and shares for over 5 years, and I have noticed trends and spot trends, and I've become pretty much a bit of a guru in the stock space. I highly enjoy investing, and I highly enjoy understanding business models, and Amazon is one business model that has absolutely fascinated me for years now. And the first thing that I want to bring to your attention is the fact that we are going into a global depression. We've had a recession. A year ago, I said we're going into a bear market / recession. It's going to hurt and sink a lot of stocks. It's going to hurt a lot of companies, and they're going to go bankrupt. We have seen over the last year all of that come true. We have seen inflation go through the roof. And while I believe 2023 is going to be off to a really bad start, I do see optimism. I do believe that a sort of bottoming will come at some stage this year, but that doesn't change the fact that we have 12 months of a long year ahead, and there is no timing when that time is going to come. So that has led me to my Amazon FBA channel. I decided I want to help people make money online. I want to show people the way, and I have set up my own business, a business model that I've been used to doing for over 10 years now, selling things on eBay, selling things on Gumtree, Marketplace, whatever you want to call it. I've been doing this for a long time, but it was the Amazon business model for all my stock, investing, trading, and just understanding market trends that I seen a huge opportunity, and that only started 8 months ago. I started my journey because I believe that 2023, 2024 are going to be highly profitable, huge advantage, and there's many different products, and I'll talk about that in different videos, why I believe there's certain products that you should be going for to capitalize on high inflation, supply and demand issues that will come down the road. So there's plenty of things, and you should subscribe to the channel if you want to get a bit of an alternative way of how to grow an Amazon FBA business. A lot of people make it seem like you're just going to become a millionaire. A lot of people that do YouTube channels are in their 20s. I know you're probably thinking, God, that must be you, Damien. No, I'm 34 years young now. So I've been around the block a few times. I've been through recessions, and I know patterns, and I know exactly what's going to be coming here. People, unfortunately, are going to have to do other things to bring in income to their household, to their home, to just survive. And it's absolutely bleak. But subscribe to my other buy, hold, sell YouTube channel if you want to get an outlook on the wider market. But this is about Amazon business. But I believe Amazon business is going to grow massively. And as you can see here, the annual net sales of Amazon in selected leading markets from 2014 to 2021, again, it's the exact same. The upwards trajectory, upwards and onwards, and I don't see that for stopping. There is some people out there that says, oh, it's had its day, the pandemic, people are moving back to shops, and while that is the case, it hasn't changed the momentum. Sales are through the roof. People like the comfort, and the reason they like the comfort is because instead of maybe spending money on fuel and energy and time to go to a store to pick up something, oh, it mightn't be there, it mightn't be in stock, or it mightn't be the right size, you can go on Amazon with a couple of clicks and buy your product. Even if it is £1 or £2 dearer, you're still going to think that's value to me. Prime delivery, I can get it delivered the next day. That is a really brilliant convenience that people will strive to get, especially in this current climate when people are working harder. They're going to be thinking, I could be making better use of my time, i.e. if I can get something with a couple of clicks, the product comes, save me having to travel to shop, traveling back, spending the money on diesel. I could use that maybe 1 hour of time to do an Amazon business. And that's the mentality, and that's the mentality that I've been trying to teach people for over 2 years now. It's how to streamline your entire life, never mind your business, but your entire life. Anything that can save you time, you can invest that time into better things like growing an Amazon business. And the Amazon business model is very, very easy. It really is easy. Yes, of course you'll have issues. Of course, certain products you'll get hit with IP issues. Yes, of course you might run out of stock. A product might be delisted. You could be buying stuff from Alibaba that isn't legitimate. There is obviously issues, but the fundamental business model, it's a tale as old as time. You buy low and you sell high, and that is all Amazon business model is. It's the same as any shop that's been around for hundreds of years. It is not doing anything special. What's unique about it is the fulfillment side of things. It's being able to drop a parcel off to UPS, waving goodbye to it, and then it comes into your inventory and it all just happens. And yes, you're paying a fee for it, but that is it. You don't deal with returns, you don't deal with the customer face to face, you don't have to deal with packaging and anything at all. It's as simple as dropping it off and see you later. And that is why a lot of people are moving to this. If you can spare 3 to 4 hours a week to pack up one box, you could easily, and I mean easily, scale your business to making you £500-600 extra a month. It's just a compounding exercise. It's just about being consistent, looking for good ROIs, understanding the business, and it will take time. Of course, it'll take time. I say first 3-4 months, you'll just have to find your feet. But after that, and you've got a bit of inventory and you're on a bit of a roll, there really isn't anything stopping you in 2023 as a beginner. And this again is a beginner, as someone that has no clue what they're doing. If you were to start in January 1st, I'd say by June, 6 months in, you will be making £500-600-700 without even thinking about it. And that's based on sort of investing £1,000 at the start. Nothing huge, just buying the right stock and following simple procedures. You could easily get to that stage. So if that's something you're interested in, you should like and subscribe. And again, that is for low end. I'm talking if you went in with the attitude of, I'm going to put £5,000, well then, if, you know, you're going to get 5 times that result. So I can't underestimate the fact that this business model works. It's as simple as getting as much inventory in there as humanly possible. The more you get in, the more you'll get out. And yes, that requires more work. And that's things that we'll talk about. You can actually hire fulfillment people to do your packaging for you. Don't be afraid to start off small. It's about learning the business model. See if it works for you. You can do that on £300-400, sell a few things, build up a bit of confidence. You don't have to go thousands of pounds. And that's why the Amazon business model is so good. It doesn't require you to put a lot into it. Time is the most valuable thing here. Time, in my opinion, is the most valuable thing that you have to give to your family, to business, to anything at all. And the free up time, I like to find ways of streamlining it. I have so many different ways of streamlining things in my house, whether that be a robot vacuum for my house, a robot grass cutter, anything at all that will save me time. I try to do it. I try to invest in that to give me time to invest in my business, to invest in ways of making money. One thing that you can do as a beginner to speed you up, to get you light years ahead of everybody else as a beginner, is to consider stepping up to a group that provides you with deals, such as Deal Hunters. We've launched this group, and get yourself light years ahead by joining Deal Hunters. It's a free, guys, free Telegram group where you can join and get access to our free deals. We'll give you the tips and the pointers and the deals to say, click this, buy this, you will make X amount of sales. Check it out, it's free. Search on Telegram for Deal Hunters FBA and you can join us now. There is obviously the paid subscription, but check out the free one. See if it suits you, ask the questions. The paid one has support, it has weekly videos, it has all the things you would need to get running your business now. So 2023 can be not only a huge year for you financially, but it could also change your lifestyle and your mindset. Consider subscribing to the channel, consider subscribing to my stock channel, consider getting into the free deal groups. I will catch you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. And if you're interested in more videos, check out my beginner playlist for more fantastic FBA videos. Catch you in the next one. Peace.